Meaning of beneath. Beneath is a preposition and adverb meaning under something, or lower in status, rank, or level. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. The keys were hidden beneath the pillow. 2. The valley lay beneath the mountains. 3. She wore leggings beneath her dress. 4. The ground beneath our feet shook. 5. He felt the floor was shaking beneath him. 6. There's a storage box beneath the bed. 7. The truth lies beneath the surface. 8. That kind of work is not beneath me. Equals I'm not too proud to do it. 9. He thinks cleaning is beneath him. Equals he feels it's too low for him. 10. The treasure is buried deep beneath the sand.